Hey everyone, hope you've had a good day. I've got a video today I've been wanting to do for a while, but I've got a bit more time on my hands at the moment, so I'm just going to do this today for you. And I just wanted to explain a little bit about what Nespresso and You and the Nespresso Club are. Because if you're new to the machines, or even I've had an Nespresso machine for years, and I've only recently looked into properly what Nespresso and You is. So I thought I'd explain it a little bit to you. So the basics of it are Nespresso Club. When you get a machine and you register with Nespresso, you become a member, and it's not a paid membership, it's not the subscription, that's different. I'll link to a subscription video now above if that's what you're interested in, and you can look at that. But this is more, you become a member, and it's to order your products and your coffee through Nespresso, you have to become a member of the site. And then when you become a member, you then go over to like Nespresso and You, they're like one and the same, and you have different levels of your membership, running from connoisseur to expert to ambassador. So if you don't make an order, then you won't have any of these levels. But as soon as you make an order, you become a connoisseur. And as long as you keep ordering every year, you'll keep that status. And for that, you get free delivery on orders over 100 capsules or more. You get to be part of the Masterclasses, where you can go and hook up with other Nespresso enthusiasts and learn more about the coffee and more about how Nespresso make them, the different flavours. And there's also a machine warranty and service that come along with that. Next, we go to like an expert level. And for that, you have to order, or you have to have been a member at least 5 years and up to 9 years to become an expert. Or you can order 1,500 capsules every 12 months for 4 years. Now, one thing I want to mention here is that if you don't order for a month, in the 12-month period, then you automatically go back to zero on your membership. So you have to keep going to build up these levels. So you've got to be going 5 years or 1,500 capsules to get to expert level. And with that, you get all the benefits we've just mentioned about free delivery on 100 capsules, masterclasses and machine warranty and service. But then you also get access to private sales, like you would get them emailed to you first before everyone else. You get 20% off accessories, which is great for like a Aerochino 4. They're quite expensive, £60. So you'd get 20% off that, which brings it down to about 48. Same with the travel mug, that's 18. So you get £3.60 off that. I think that's £15.40 off the top of my head. Apologies if I've got that wrong. But 25% also off a new machine. So if you wanted to get a new machine from Nespresso, you get 25% off that as well. Now, whether that's a good deal or not, depends on how much the machines are elsewhere, doesn't it, compared to Nespresso themselves. But it could save you a lot of money, 25% off. The next level after that, the top level, is ambassador level. Now, for that one, you get all of the things we've mentioned, but you also get to be part of Coffee Avant Premiere, which means that any new limited edition capsules that Nespresso are bringing out, you get access to first. And that's actually really good because, and you'll have noticed at the minute, if you go on the Nespresso site and try and get some of the new Napoli ones that are at intensity 13, you won't be able to get them because they're out of stock. So if you've got access to those early, then that's going to benefit you. And also you get a free descaling kit. I'm not sure if that's every single year or if it's just as a one-off. But I'd imagine it's a regular free descaling kit as long as you keep up your ambassador status on your Nespresso and You account. So Nespresso Club, Nespresso and You, one and the same thing, but the Nespresso and You part is different levels from connoisseur to expert to ambassador. I hope that's explained it for you. If you've got any questions and I haven't answered, because I can't cover everything and I do forget things, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you. If you've liked the video and it's helped you out, then please give it a like, because that will help us. And just subscribe to the channel, check out our playlist, which I'll link to in a minute, with a load of other tips for Nespresso machine owners or people wanting to buy them. Thank you for watching this one, and stay well, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.